Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to start Eagle Lawn Mower. Firstly, before you start, check the cutting height on your mower. For summer mowing, make sure it's at least 30 millimeters to prevent your lawn from drying out. Longer grass also enhances the striped look, making it light and dark lines stand out more. If your lawn is rectangle or square, begin at the bottom left corner and mow in a straight line upward. When you reach the top, lift the mower blades, turn the mower, then lower the blades and mow the next line downward. And make sure to slightly overlap each stripe for a clean, professional finish. If you have an odd-shaped lawn, start by mowing a guide stripe down the center. Then work outwards on each side, following the same overlapping technique. To keep your stripes clean and neat, empty your mower's glass bag regularly. There's no exact rule, it depends on the size of your mower's collection bag. Some Eagle cordless mowers come with a full bag indicator that closes when it's time to empty. Just check your mower's manual to see if yours does. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.